Victor kicks Rolf in the head again.
My turn!
Seems an air bubble has lodged itself within my...
Come here, I'll get rid of him.
Oh, dear. Oh, my.
There, they're gone.
Hiccups have left the building, Eddie!
Strong hiccups.
Quick, Eddie, do something! Double D is gonna... explode!
And you idiot, this ain't gonna get rid of the hiccups.
Water! I need water!
You're doing it all wrong. You're supposed to drink it upside down.
Let's scare him, Eddie!